Hey everybody, welcome to the Easily Amused channel. Today we are going to talk about the miter saw and some of the things that we've done here in the workshop to make it work just a little bit more efficiently, a little bit better, a little bit cleaner, a little bit safer. Stay tuned. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, so first and foremost, you'll notice that I've got a miter saw on a rolling stand, which I know is not the most stable surface, but with its branches on the left and right side that can hold wood that's extended out with the ability to fold it up and roll it wherever I need it to go, it has become very handy to me, and it doesn't take up any more of my workbench space. But some of the other things that you might immediately notice, I do have a tarp on the back. The tarp helps to catch any and all the extra dust that goes into the spare wood scrap section, and the sawdust falls down in here. I do have a Shotback, well, rigid, hooked up that sucks up most of the dust, but as you guys know, miter saws kick up a lot of dust. It ends up everywhere, and it's really nice for it to be able to fall into this bin most of the time and keep my floors a little bit cleaner. Another little trick I got going on back here, I actually only have 2 outlets in the wall. So problem with that is I've got lots of tools around here that need to be used pretty often. So one of the things that I've done is I've taken a 3-prong to 2-prong adapter. You can buy them at your local hardware store for about $1.50 a piece. Folded out the prongs, screwed them in, and now I've got a place to store a plug. Now, is it just to store a plug? No. As you'll see, mine not working right now. I have young children. I have curious children. I have curious nieces and nephews who, no matter how many times they are told not to mess with things, well, if you have kids, you know that they will eventually mess with things. So by having that as a nice little safety precaution, keeps the plugs out of the way, keeps my tools not plugged in. My kids don't even know that these exist. They've never paid attention to it. But if they come in here and they just grab the handle, it does not immediately start spinning this lethal blade, right? So with the Shotback, a lot of people have Shotback, a lot of people have different kinds of dust collection systems going on. I prefer the high power Shotback. I can roll it from tool to tool. Don't really have enough room in here. I'm not going to show you my workshop because it is an absolute wreck right now. But I prefer the Shotback because I can just disconnect the hose right here, and I've got a different hose on many different devices. But I've taken it one step further. And I've used an extension cord here just so I can show you guys what's going on. What I've got is an extension cord plugged in to a foot pedal like you might see in a commercial environment. What this foot pedal is going to do is it's going to provide power to the Shotback. So the Shotback is interrupted by the foot pedal, and I leave the Shotback on all the time. So basically, put my foot on the pedal at any point in time, and it turns my Shotback on. So now, one-handed, I can reach out and grab my saw. I can put my foot on the pedal, and I don't have to worry about turning the switch on and off. It's always there for me. It's always ready to go. I keep a much cleaner, much less dusty environment simply because of this pedal. So, safer, add some plugs. Also, gives you some backup places to store your plugs. Also, if you've got tools in the middle of your workshop, I've got another video with a small bandsaw that I keep in the middle of my workshop. I don't need it to leave it plugged in all the time. So I've screwed one of these to the stand. I'll link to that video. And what I can do is I can just simply disconnect it from the wall, plug it into the stand, and it keeps it out of the way, keeps it from being draped, keeps it from being tripped on. So, quick, easy vacuum, safer, quicker, cleaner, storage space for the dust, spare wood. Hopefully this video would help make you guys have your miter saw stand area cleaner, safer, and better. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is there something I can do to make this significantly better? Is there something I can do to make it more efficient, work better? I know I can make it look better, but what do you think about all this? Also, I'll have a link in the description to the step pedal plug if anyone's looking at getting that. It is an associate's link on Amazon, so I do get a commission if you decide to purchase that. No hard feelings if you don't. All right, Andy Brady with the Easily Amused channel. Thanks for checking us out. If you would please like and subscribe so you can see more content in the future, and check out some of our other videos. Thank you so much.